How is OSB wood manufactured inside a fully automated factory? From raw plantation logs to finished OSB boards?
This video explores the complete OSB production process, where every stage is controlled by automated machines and industrial control systems.
OSB manufacturing relies on precise coordination between mechanical systems, sensors, and real-time process control. OSB wood production begins with automated handling of plantation-grown logs. Automated positioning systems ensure each log enters the OSB wood line with correct alignment. Logs are fed into an automated debarking system to remove bark before OSB wood processing.
Bark is separated and transferred for biomass energy use.
Debarked logs are cut to exact lengths required for OSB wood strand production. Only logs cut to specification proceed into the OSB wood stranding process. Logs enter the strand flaker, where OSB wood strands are created. Precision knives cut controlled OSB wood strands that define the material's structural performance. These long OSB wood strands form the backbone of OSB boards. Automated screening removes undersized particles from OSB wood strands. Fine material is removed to ensure consistent OSB board quality. Clean OSB wood strands enter a controlled drying system. Drying reduces strand moisture to levels suitable for OSB wood bonding. Moisture content is continuously monitored before resin application.
Dried OSB wood strands move into automated resin blending.
Resin and wax are precisely applied to each OSB wood strand. Automated controls regulate resin usage for OSB board strength and efficiency. Resin-coated OSB wood strands are laid to form a continuous mat. Surface layers of OSB wood are oriented for load-bearing strength. Core layers are cross-oriented to stabilize OSB boards. This layered orientation defines the internal structure of OSB boards. The OSB wood mat enters the hot pressing stage. Heat and pressure bond OSB wood strands into a solid OSB board.
Thickness and density of OSB boards are continuously controlled.
Pressed OSB boards are transferred to controlled cooling. Gradual cooling stabilizes OSB board dimensions. OSB boards are trimmed to final dimensions. Light sanding refines OSB board surfaces without altering structure. Automated inspection checks OSB board quality. Non-conforming OSB boards are removed from the main line. Finished OSB boards are stacked automatically. OSB boards are packaged for safe transport.
Packaged OSB board bundles enter automated storage.
Each OSB board batch is tracked digitally.
OSB boards are widely used in structural construction.
OSB wood provides strength and consistency for building systems.
OSB wood manufacturing reuses waste for renewable energy. Emissions are controlled to meet environmental standards. The OSB wood factory operates as a fully integrated system. Central control systems optimize OSB wood manufacturing in real time. Advanced automation continues to improve OSB wood production efficiency. Predictive systems reduce downtime in OSB wood manufacturing. From raw logs to finished OSB boards, every step is precisely controlled. Each OSB board reflects engineered performance. Modern OSB wood manufacturing combines scale, automation, and sustainability. This is how OSB wood is manufactured inside a smart industrial factory.
Sample OSB boards are prepared for mechanical and physical testing.
OSB boards are tested for bending strength and structural performance.
Moisture resistance of OSB boards is carefully evaluated.
OSB boards are classified according to strength and environmental resistance standards. OSB boards graded for dry interior use are identified as OSB/1.
OSB boards designed for load-bearing applications in dry conditions are classified as OSB/2.
OSB boards suitable for load-bearing use in humid environments are classified as OSB/3. OSB boards for heavy-duty structural applications are classified as OSB/4. Export-grade OSB boards are packaged to withstand long-distance transport. OSB boards are prepared for global distribution.
Finished OSB boards are shipped to construction markets worldwide. OSB boards play a critical role in modern construction systems. Industrial automation ensures consistent OSB board quality at scale. This complete process defines how OSB boards are manufactured in a fully automated industrial factory.